Cats are territorial, so introducing a new cat can be stressful. However, if you slowly get them used to each other's scent and presence, it can help reduce stress and create a peaceful environment for both. Here's a simple guide on how to introduce your two cats successfully. Before bringing the new cat home, choose a room that the resident cat does not use often. Set it up with the new cat's essentials like toys, food, water bowls, and a litter box. Keep the room closed so the resident cat gets used to the new space being off-limits. Start by keeping the cats in separate rooms. This gives them time to adjust to each other's scent without any direct contact. It helps reduce stress and allows them to get used to each other's presence gradually. After a few days of visual introduction, let the cats meet face-to-face in a neutral area. Keep the meetings short and calm to avoid overwhelming them. Use treats and praise to reinforce positive behavior during these interactions. Gradually extend the length of their interactions while closely watching their behavior. If any aggression happens, separate them immediately to prevent further tension. Give them time and try again later, ensuring they feel safe and comfortable. Start with short sessions and closely monitor their behavior. If they remain calm, you can extend the time they spend with each other. Each cat adjusts at its own pace, so be patient during the process. It may take weeks for them to feel fully comfortable with each other, so allow them to progress slowly. Make sure there are enough food bowls, litter boxes, and resting spots for both cats. This helps avoid competition and reduces stress during the introduction process. Engage the cats in play sessions to promote positive interactions. Reward behaviors like grooming or playing together. Take short breaks during play to keep things relaxed and avoid stress. The interactive cat toys ball is designed to keep your feline friend engaged and entertained for hours, encouraging your cat to chase and play. Geosive interactive cat toys ball is designed to entertain high-energy cats for hours, easily gliding across various surfaces like ceramic tiles, wooden floors, and even high-pile carpets. It rarely gets stuck in corners, making it a reliable choice for interactive play. The toy has a charging requirement, and it works for 5 minutes before entering sleep mode if not in use, waking up every 2 hours to check if the cat is interested. The chirping sound, mimicking a bird, attracts cats. By taking it slow and using positive reinforcement, your cats should eventually build a comfortable relationship and stress-free way.